I remember the first time that I really became aware of public speaking. I was about 10 years old, and it was actually in church, and it was a minister delivering a sermon. And I remember being struck by the fact that 200 some people could sit quietly and listen to one person speak. I found that amazing that one person could grab the attention of so many people. I'd never seen anything like that before. But I remember what really struck me was not so much the minister speaking and how he delivered his words or his body language or any of that. What I remember the most was the reactions of the audience. You know, he would reach points in the sermon that were humorous and everybody would laugh. He would reach serious points in the sermon or tell this compelling story. And I would see people nodding their heads in agreement. I was just fascinated by the effect that one man's words could have on this whole audience. And then after the sermon, he would go outside, the minister would go outside in front of the church and wait on the steps, and people would line up and come by and shake hands and say good morning. And many people commented on specific aspects of the sermon, things that touched them. And I remember being so impressed with people being first engaged and then being transformed by one person's message. And from that point on, I've been fascinated and trying to learn more and more about how to engage and transform an audience.